Hi everyone, welcome. I'm glad you're back for another lesson. We've been working with regular verbs in the present tense in German. In this lesson we have another very important regular verb, the verb kommen. Kommen. Kommen means to come. The stress is here. Kommen. 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 So again, we're working with das Präsens, the present tense in German. The endings for verbs in the present tense are here. Remember to conjugate the verb, it's very simple. Just add this ending to the root, and you find the root by removing the en. So let's go ahead and practice with this verb here. I have my root, komm, and all I need to do is add my ending, ich komme, ich komme. You come, du kommst. He comes, kommt. She comes, sie kommt, you come, sie kommen. For our plural subject pronouns, we come, wir kommen, you come, ihr kommt, you come, sie kommen, and they come, sie kommen. When we use the verb kommen, we talk about when or possibly how. So here are some examples of words that we can use with kommen. We can say bald, which is soon, spät, which is late, morgen, which is tomorrow. Notice this is the lowercase m. With the capital, it's the word morning, but here it's the lowercase, so it's the word tomorrow. And schnell, quickly. So let's combine that with some examples here. If I want to say I'm coming soon, ich komme bald. I'm coming late, ich komme spät. I'm coming tomorrow, ich komme morgen. I'm coming quickly, ich komme schnell. You're coming soon, du kommst bald. You're coming late, du kommst spät. You're coming tomorrow, du kommst morgen. And you're coming quickly, du kommst schnell. She's coming soon, sie kommt bald. She's coming late, sie kommt spät. She's coming tomorrow, sie kommt morgen. She's coming quickly, sie kommt schnell. Alright, that's it for the verb kommen. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning German and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.